Hello, my name is Ambika Varman. I work with BMC Remedyforce team. In this video, I will be discussing about validation rules. The topics that I will be covering are overview of validation rule, how to create validation rule, and finally, we will see a demo. Validation rules verify that the data a user enters in a record meets the standards you specify before the user can save the record. A validation rule can contain a formula or expression that evaluates the data in one or more fields and returns a value of true or false. Validation rules also include an error message to display to the user when the rule returns a value of true due to an invalid value. How we can create a validation rule? For that, you need to go to Setup and you can select any object, for example, the incident object. Then you need to scroll down. To create a new validation rule, you need to click on New button. And then you can enter a rule name. For example, account cannot be blank. You can enter a description. And then you have to enter the error condition formula. Here I will be selecting is blank. So this is blank checks whether an expression is blank and returns true or false. I will double click on is blank and this expression should contain the API name of the field. So this is the API name for account field. Then I will click on check syntax to see if there is any error. No errors found. So if this expression is true, user will not be able to save the record. They will receive an error message. And here we can specify the error message that we want the users to get. Enter a value for account. Now this error message can either appear at the top of the page or below a specific field on the page. Now let us save this validation rule. So once it is saved, make sure that the active checkbox is checked. Now let us see how this validation rule can be triggered. For that, you need to go to Remedyforce console, new incident. Let me select a client ID. And I will also select category. And I have left the account field blank so that the condition will get fulfilled and the validation rule will get triggered. Now let us save this record. As you can see, enter a value for accounts. So that means the validation rule has got triggered and the user needs to fill a value for the account field. So let us do that now. Now if I click on save, this should get saved without giving any error message. So you can see that this record has got saved successfully. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.